Hello guys, in this video I am gonna to explain how to text animate in 4 different style. So let's start the video. So first of all I select this text and I can change this also. So I change the text. Now I am gonna to explain this in 4 different style. So first of all I am going here and go to the animation and click the position. Right after that I click on this add property and then go to the opacity. So after that I change the position to the downside and then reduce the opacity to 0. Right after that go to the range selector 1 and select the keyframe of offset and add -100. After that we go to forward to 1 second and it goes to the +100. Alright, so you can see here animation. After that we go to the advanced setting and here in square we change it to ramp up. Right, and easy high to 25, 21 and easy low to 100. Right, and after that we play the animation. So you can see here the animation, it's very smooth and very nice. So let's close the keyframe to the left side keyframe and then play it. So it is very smooth text. So in the next we are going to create another composition and here we text animation 2. So I write it here and then I am going to track it. Right, first I am going to go animation and click the position. Right, after that I am going to the opacity, then I go to the tracking. Right, so sometime it track to the left side. The reason is here I am showing you that the where is the paragraph. I select on the paragraph, so when the it's select to the left side, so the track will be to the left side, and if selected to the this paragraph, to it will track to the right side, and we have to track to the center. Right, so now I am going to drag it to the center. Right, and change the position down, opacity to 0 and range click offset to -100, then forward the keyframe and it goes to the +100. Then go to the advanced setting and square to the ramp up and easy high to 20 or easy low to 100. Right, so then click the keyframes and press F9 and then go to the value and change the graph value. So now I'm gonna play it. So you can see here the animation, it's very smooth and nice. So hope guys you like this animation and this video. So for the next video, like and share the videos and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.